Hey guys, yes, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. So today I've got something special to do. You know, it's Valentine's tomorrow, and obviously I'm going to go and see Bay. So I have to, sort myself out. I've decided to tint my eyebrows by myself because I have been getting these eyebrows tinted and it takes like 3 days, it goes off. I'm like, what is going on? Is it like my eyebrows are different from others? Even my eyelashes, the moment I do individual lashes, you can imagine that, just give it 4 days, everything will fall out. What is wrong? Do I have it? So I have gone to this what do you call it? It's a polish shop. When I got there, I saw this particular one that I bought it very cheap, and I decided I'm gonna try it out on myself, and I got the brown one because I obviously like my eyebrows to be I don't like them to be black. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit closer to the camera, clean my brows. Normally I'm supposed to shape my brows, but because the instruction says put it first before shaping it, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna obviously be a good girl and follow the instructions. So I'm trying to clean my brows properly and make sure there's no residue there. And the instruction again that it hasn't got any English word on it, so I have no idea what it's talking about other than me checking online, doing research online on how to use it and which goes in, because it's two flipping things inside it, these two things inside it, which I have no idea which one goes into. So my findings, one goes into one, so I'm going to cut it open. There's one white and one black, they go inside the same pot, and I'm going to be using this pot, and I can't find my spatula, so I'm going to be using this brush, bottom of it, to just mix it together. So before that, the instruction says put a cream just to protect your skin. So I'm going to be using this Pro Base moisturizing primer. It has tea tree oil and vitamin A and E, so it obviously will protect my skin. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. Right. I'm gonna put at the back of my hand right there. Take a little bit of it and just moisturize. I've got a mirror down here, so permit me, I'm gonna be looking down here at some point. So I'm one of those people that do not have loads. I don't have many, so I have to tint. So I'm going to be using my brush, the particular one. I used it to apply gel, so it's kind of brown in color. I washed it though, so I'm gonna brush my brows up right there because they are sleeping. I need to wake them up. Right, so right there, and I'm going to cut this open with a scissors. I will cut it open from there. Seems like it has a nose to there. Ooh, there you go. So this is the second one that goes in. It's the white thing coming off of it. So I'm gonna go from here. Oopsies. This is like a dust. So I guess that one should be the activator. So I thought it was like two liquidy things, but it's like dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the liquidy thing in there, which should be an activator, I believe. And I'm going to use this as a spatula to mix. It needs more, So I'm just gonna add extra of this inside it. Yeah. And this is what it looks like. The consistency is just a bit creamy. So but I'm gonna keep mixing it until it forms a good paste. This is what the color looks like. It's just a bit milky. It's milk color. So I'm gonna go ahead, mix it until it's smooth and ready. Yeah, it's smooth now, quite creamy, and it's looking beautiful. And I'm gonna be using one of these disposable brushes to apply this. Normally I have a brush for it, but I cannot find it for some reason. It should be in my makeup jar here, but your sister cannot find it anywhere, so I better stay back where I am. Since I found it. Right. That particular brush and one other one are the ones I use normally. But because I can't find it, I'm going to stick to this. So I'm going to start from the brush right here. And wish me luck. So I'm told that I can do my natural brow eyelashes. I can tint it, but I'm not taking that chances, sis. I'm not about doing something crazy. Ooh, stings. Ooh, it hurts. Ow! That hurts. It's like a very sharp pinch there immediately, but it's coming down now. So I am told to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to leave it definitely for 15 minutes and I'll be back, because obviously I cannot stay here for 15 minutes. I don't know what I'll be talking about. I'll be back in 15 minutes and show you guys the result. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's been 15 minutes and 15 minutes feels like it took forever, you know, and the instruction remains: use wet cloth or any other thing like micellar water I don't know why I'm choking. But this is wipes, baby wipes, so I'm gonna use it and wipe. If this thing doesn't work, I'm going back to get my money back, seriously. Right, okay. Don't be deceived. No, I'm not taking that. It looks good on the camera, don't get it wrong. It actually looks really good on the camera. Well, to be honest, it looks exactly the way you're seeing it here. That's exactly how it is. Better than nothing. I don't know what to say, so I'm gonna go ahead and check my brows and see. So these days I've been rooting for bushy brows, so I'm just gonna like clean the little bit outside of it, and it's going to be bushy. So I'm not like doing the normal this thing I usually do. So this is it. I have a lot of baby hairs. You know, when it comes to having brows, they are just if you do not know how to use razor blade to shape your brows, please don't do it, so that you don't end up cutting yourself, you know. So this is it. I think that one came out really well than this one. This one was a bit irritating, and that one was okay, and at the end of the day it's still just the one that came out really nice. So I hope I don't know what to say, but it's better than nothing, isn't it? I think if I had left it for longer, a little bit longer, it would have been better, but I don't know, maybe next time, because I still have a little bit in the jar. And it's turning from gray. It was milk color, from milk color to gray, and from gray it's getting to brown now. So I believe if I have left it for longer, I would have gotten more results. I would have gotten more results than what I did got here. So maybe next time I will try it on my own and see what happens. Okay, well, it's cheap, so I don't expect it to do much. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next other video very soon.